So good afternoon everybody. It's from Jayshree. I am from SNS College of Technology from the Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take the biology for engineers. The topic is what? 4 stages of metasis. Okay. Let us see what are the 4 interesting stages of metasis in detail. In part 1 we have discussed the details about mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, where cell is divided into 2 parts, where in top is divided into interphase and bottom is divided into 4 phase. So out of this 4 interesting phase, we will see one by one in detail. Okay. First one is what? Prophase. Second phase is what? Metaphase. Third one anaphase. Telophase. That is followed by telophase is followed by cytokines. So let us see one by one in detail. The first one is what? Prophase. So in the larger cell, some small nucleus is present. Inside the nucleus, chromatin is present. So chromatin is like a thread-like structure. Okay. This chromatin forms the chromosome in the stage. Okay. And also the spindle fiber is formed in the stage, and the spindle fiber tends to align north and south pole along with the chromosome. Okay, that is the formation of this prophase. Chromosomes condense, spindle fiber formation, and chromosomes are captured by the spindle. Next one is what? Metaphase. So metaphase is nothing but the chromosomes tend to align in one line. That is what? Metaphase. There are 2 types of spindle fiber formation in this metaphase stage. The chromosome is attached to the spindle fiber is what? Continuous spindle fiber. When the chromosome is not attached to the spindle fiber, this is what? Discontinuous spindle fiber. Okay, this is what the chromosomes alignment in the metaphase stage. And next one is what? Anaphase. In anaphase, sister chromatids separate. Okay, in top and bottom, the spindle fiber tend to pull the chromosome up and down. Okay, this forms the daughter cells in the up direction and down direction. Okay, so this forms a free spindle fiber lengthen and pushes the poles of the cell apart. So these are the very important 3rd phase. Sister chromatids separate in the anaphase stage. Next one is what? Telophase. So telophase is nothing but the reverse operation of prophase is done in this telophase stage. In prophase stage, the spindle fiber is formed and chromosome is formed and nucleus disappears. Nuclear membrane disappears. Whereas here, the spindle fiber disintegrate, the nuclear envelope form around both the groups of chromosomes. Chromosome revert to the extender state. Cytokines occur enclosing each daughter nucleus into a separate cell. This is what the telophase stage. So this diagram shows the telophase stage, and separate nucleus is formed and spindle fiber disintegrate. Next one is what? Cytokines, which is the final stage of the metasis stage. In prophase, the chromatin is formed into chromosome. In metaphase, the chromosome are aligned in the center of the line. In anaphase, the chromosome forms the sister chromosomes in top and bottom. In telophase, the spindle fiber disintegrate and the nucleus is formed, and this chromosome forms this nucleus. Next one is what? Cytokines. This separates the parent cell from the daughter cell with individually. Okay, that is what cycotins. So finally, mitosis stage, we get two daughter cells from a parent cells. So thank you all. Have a great day.